And we are rolling. What's up, guys? Welcome to Unlimited Freedom. I am about to get into an update on VORTIC United, okay? VORTIC United, man, this is a cool platform. We're still rocking and rolling with VORTIC United. I love this thing, okay? But before I get into this update, guys, I need to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor, okay? I'm just a guy who comes on here. I show you what I'm doing in a lot of different platforms. I deal with cryptocurrency. I deal with the stock market. I deal with Forex trading. I deal with high-frequency Forex. I deal with real estate and a lot of different crypto programs, okay? A lot of different platforms in the crypto space. And the whole idea behind this is generating and creating passive income. So I'm sharing my story with you, okay? Not to be on here boasting, not to be on here bragging, not to come from a spirit of arrogance, but from a spirit of helpfulness, okay? From a spirit of humility and thankfulness and really gratitude, right? For what God has brought into my life, which is just a lot of great blessings, guys. So now listen, if you like any of these things that I talk about, if you're interested in any of these opportunities, if you're interested in any of these platforms, if you're interested in learning more, there are links in my description. So all you guys got to do is go to my description, click on more info, boom, it'll pull up a drop down and it will show you the links to every single company, every single opportunity, every single platform that I talk about on these videos. So if you are interested, you can go straight to the horse's mouth. You can go straight to the platform itself. You can do your due diligence. You can do your research. You can look into these things for yourselves by going to my description and clicking on the links that are in my description, or copy and paste the links into your browser. The links are in the description, guys. Now, having said that, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm not telling you to sign up for one of these. I'm not telling you to do anything, okay? But I am sharing with you my journey. I'm sharing with you my story, and, you know, I'm very, very happy to be doing it, guys. So, having said that, man, let's crack into VORTIC United, because this thing is just shaping up to be a beast in this space, and I'm excited about VORTIC United, okay? Now, if you guys know me, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't go for every new opportunity that comes out, right? I try to vet the opportunities, I look into the opportunities, I do my research, I do my due diligence, and if I get excited about something, then I'm going to test it out. And after I test it out, if it's working, I'm going to come on here and talk about it, guys. And one of the ones that really is working good is VORTIC United. Okay, it is almost the end of February, so I'm almost 2 months in with VORTIC United, and we are still going strong, okay? There have been no problems. There have been no hiccups. The website performs every single time I open it. It opens right up. The website looks great. It's very easy to understand. I mean, it's like you're looking at your little control panel of life, right? You've got your financial control panel right there. It shows what you're doing with your investments. It shows your current ambassador portfolio, your portfolio income, your total referral income, your daily profit balance, your current balance in your wallet, right? And as you're growing your balance, and somebody was asking me this about VORTIC, which is, how do you do the compounding? Well, basically, as your wallet is growing in balance, you buy a new package, right? You buy a new portfolio, right? So I like to get portfolio plan A because it starts as low as 50 USDT. And so when I get up to 50 USDT or more in my wallet balance, I get myself a new portfolio plan A. Therefore, now that one starts working for me, right? So you got the portfolios that are created. It's your USDT that's making USDT for you, right? So it's passive income and it pays daily, right? You can withdraw your funds on Mondays, okay? But every single business day, Monday through Friday, your increase comes in the form of a percentile increase depending on which portfolio you get, okay? And right now I've got a lot of portfolio plan A, right? I really like that because it's a cost-effective plan. It gives you the ability to test it out before you buy more or before you get into more. Another thing I like about this, guys, man, is you can go to the bottom left of the screen and click on something called reporting. There's a little tab at the bottom left of the dashboard. It says reporting, and you can follow Jensen Robles' trading feed, okay? So he did not have the greatest day yesterday. Let's talk about it, guys. He traded AR and got a profit of 7.77%. He traded comp and got a profit of 7.26%. He traded YFI and got a profit of 6.5%. Those were all shorts. And then he did a long on 1 inch, and that was a loss of 5.5%. MNA, that was a loss of 6.64%, and SNX, that was a loss of 6.75%. Now, having said that, even with those losses, he still came out positive because he profited more from the profitable trades than he lost on the unprofitable trades. And that's the name of the game when it comes to... Don't get me started talking about trading. You guys know that I'm a trader. You guys know that I can get a bit technical when I start talking about trading. Basically, here's what you should take away from this. It's cool that this guy is sharing his trading feed. He's like sharing what he's doing, right? VORTIC United is sharing the trades. So you can go down there, you can see the trades, you can look at the trades, you can see the strategy, right, that he's using, and then also so you can see how it's happening, right? Some of the platforms get a lot of criticism from not showing their trades, right? And that puts up red flags for people because they're like, if you're not showing a trade, then you must not be trading. Well, that's not necessarily the case, right? That's kind of a non sequitur. Non sequitur means it does not follow. Okay, just because somebody's not showing the trades, it does not follow that they're not trading. Okay, that's like a logic leap. You leaped over a tall logic building, right, to get to that conclusion. You don't know what they're doing. You're not there, right? You don't see behind the scenes of what they're doing. But what I like about VORTIC is, hey, man, you can see what he's doing. You can come on here and check it out. So I get excited when I talk about VORTIC United, because I'm just excited about this platform. And you know, guys, as we know in this space, sometimes these things pop up and then just as quick they're gone, right? And so every day that I log on to VORTIC United and I'm seeing the profits coming in, I'm seeing everything is still working, everything is cruising along. We hit the 1 month mark, we hit the 2 month mark. I want to hit the 3, 4, 5 on down the line, man. I would love to see this thing last. But we know, guys, that the way to do this is to get in, you know, you make your money, right? You make your crypto, right? And then you lock in your profits, and then you can keep rolling with house money, right? And it's just roll, you know, you can roll till the wheels fall off, right? Like my man BOJ likes to say, I'm going to roll with it till the wheels fall off. But listen, man, make sure that you get your profits locked in. Right? That way, even if the thing goes away for whatever reason, you can say, hey, well, look, hey, I didn't invest anything I couldn't afford to lose. And 2, I went ahead and locked in my profits early. So that way, even if it did go away somewhere down the road, I'm okay because I got my initial deposit back. I didn't lose any money. Plus, I locked in my profits, right? I locked in a little bit of profit. And hey, rinse and repeat, guys. If you live your life like that, you get your initial deposit back and you lock in a little bit of profit on these platforms, you're going to be taking steps up. You're going to be going up in a direction of exponential growth rather than betting the farm on one platform, leaving it in there until it fails and you lose everything. That is the absolute wrong way to do it. Right? So make sure that you're smart when you get into these types of opportunities. Now, since we are on VORTIC United, I want to go over a little bit further in depth about the opportunity because, like I said, I really like this one. So it is a pleasure for me to do this. And I should have had this pulled up on the computer, but I didn't. Oh, well. All right, here we go, guys. VORTIC United. Okay, VORTIC United is institutional trading systems accessible to everybody. Basically what that means is this man is a trader. He's behind the scenes. He's rocking and rolling in the trading game. He's profitable. He's making profit. And he is inviting us, right? Should we so choose, he's inviting us to sign up and insert some of our crypto into what he's doing. It's going to give him more crypto to play with to make more returns, and he's going to pass those returns down to us in the form of little gains that we can get every single day without having to make one trade. That's passive income. That means this thing is making money while you're sleeping, right? While you're going about doing other things, your income is growing passively. That's the name of the game, man. That's why we got into this, right? For these types of opportunities. You got a powerful team right by your side. Like I was saying, Jensen Robles. This guy is the man. I really like this guy right now. Okay. He lives in Istanbul. He's a trader and he just gets up. He gets up every day and he does his thing. You know what I mean? He's got a skill. He's got the skill to pay the bills, right? He's got the skills to pay the bills. He gets up, he rock and roll, he does his skills. and he's opening it up for other people to share in the profit, to share in the abundance that he is creating, right? Because he's a trader. And as a trader myself, I know what it takes to find yourself a strategy that is profitable, that is repeatable, right? That over time it profits weekly, it profits monthly, and is therefore sustainable, therefore profitable. It ain't easy, and it ain't cheap, right? It is, you gotta dig in, you got to be crazy almost to learn how to do that type of trading, because it's gonna be a lot, right? It's gonna be a lot. It's a big commitment, but he has done that, right? And so he has that strategy. He's developed that strategy. Here's a quote from Jensen. Crypto enables any person willing to deal with its possibilities to live a free and independent life. Amen to that, bro. Okay. Crypto market. So in recent years, guys, cryptocurrencies have established themselves on the market while experiencing tremendous growth. Okay, on average, we observe a significant increase each year. So crypto does exponentially grow each year, even though it's very volatile. Overall, the arc is an arc of growth. Okay, according to studies, this establishment will continue to grow over the next few years. By 2025, total capitalization is expected to grow tenfold. Okay, that's crazy, right? I mean, there's just, in terms of potential, there's nothing out there like crypto right now. And I know that a lot of people lose at crypto. I know that crypto's volatile, crypto's hard to do. I know, man, I know. Personally, it's not my favorite asset to trade. But luckily, there's people out here like Jensen Robles who know how to rock and roll, who know how to trade the crypto, and that way I can benefit, right? I can benefit from the increase. My boat can rise, you know what I'm saying? Instead of, having a bunch of holes in it because I don't know what I'm doing, and it's like... Market volatility. The crypto market is one of the most volatile markets. This is what I just talked about, with fluctuations up to 100% in short periods of time. That means appropriate risk management becomes a challenge. Okay, with proper strategy and consideration, eliminating all risks, however, this increased volatility can prove to be very profitable and offers many opportunities. Okay, so if you know how to do this, it's a very profitable game. Just like if you don't know how to do it, it's very detrimental. Right? Which is why you should be hooking up with people who know what they're doing and who have a track record. Okay? About VORTIC United. Key competencies. They're meticulous, they're trustworthy, and they're customer oriented. Now, this is VORTIC United speaking. Now, let me testify to something on this. They are very customer oriented. Okay, I know that because I've used their customer service. When I first joined up for VORTIC United, one of the first things I noticed is that on the bottom right of the screen, there's a little red chat box. CHAT box. It's a little message logo, like when you text somebody on your phone, and you can literally text support and they will respond to you within 24 hours. Now, if you've been in this space for a while, you know how cool that it is what I just said. Hey guys, we're out here, man. We're out here in the, this is Mad Max land out here, right? There's a lot going on in the crypto space, and one thing that we don't have a lot of is good support. And if you're part of the crypto space, you know that. That's why it's cool to have a platform that has good support. And so I shot them a message, boom, they messaged me back. Shot them another message, bah, boom, they come in, message me back. I'm like, okay. Right? This is good. There's some platforms I've never heard back from support. I emailed them a year ago and still haven't heard back from them. But with VORTIC United, they got chat. You can chat with them. So I can testify to that. Customer oriented for sure. Our expert employees perform at their best each and every day to help you achieve your financial goals. Okay, security is our top priority, which is why we work with diversified portfolios that are managed exclusively with our latest and proven strategies. Strategies, guys, there's that word again. Our latest and proven strategies. Okay, in order to be successful at trading, you have to have a strategy. Let me give you a little bit of secret sauce here, right? Just in case you're just rolling with me on VORTIC United, and I'm just going to drop a little gem for you right now. Thank you for watching, by the way. One of the main reasons why people lose at Forex trading and why people lose at crypto trading is because they constantly change their strategy. They're changing their strategy daily. They're changing their strategy weekly. They're constantly trying a new strategy instead of picking one, sticking to it, and perfecting it. So that's the importance of having a strategy, okay? Here's the vision. Our vision is clear and unambiguous. VORTIC United will become one of the first reliable investment communities that will simplify the highly complex market and let everyone benefit from its potential. Right? Our main goal is to create a community that benefits from the different aspects of the crypto market, guys. Our entire community will benefit from unique opportunities, and we will have a significant impact on the crypto market with our upcoming projects. Okay, now they get into a little bit of the technical piece of it. Let's talk about it, guys. How we generate profit. To secure the investments of our clients, we work with a strategy, based on diversification and focused on profitability. Okay, trading decisions are made based on a 3-point analysis, which is A, order flow analysis, B, on-chain analysis, C, technical analysis. So let's jump into technical analysis, guys. Technical chart analysis is based on reoccurring trend patterns, right? I use that, by the way. When I do my trading, I use technical chart analysis, and I look at the trends, and I can see the patterns, right? I've learned how to identify the patterns and then profit because of that, because the patterns typically, they tend to repeat themselves. And if you know how to do that, then you can put the probabilities on your side. Doesn't mean you're going to win every trade. What it does mean is that you will win more than you lose, and therefore you can be profitable. Historical data can be used to determine the probability of such patterns repeated. For us, technical analysis is part of the decision-making process for a possible trade. Well, right, it should be. That should be the part of the decision-making process. On-chain analysis. Okay, here's what on-chain analysis means. It means you got Bitcoin and you got the other cryptocurrencies. Now, typically, and it doesn't happen every single time, we're talking about probabilities here, but typically when Bitcoin fluctuates, the other currencies kind of mimic the fluctuations of Bitcoin, and that's called on-chain analysis. Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency, and altcoins move in correlation to Bitcoin. All transactions can be viewed transparently on the blockchain. Right? Transaction behavior can be processed and visualized with the help of on-chain indicators. Since these data are based on facts and events and not only on probabilities, valuable information can be gained and used for trading. So, you've already got the pattern day trading. You've already got the technical analysis. That puts the probabilities on your side. Now you're adding another component, on-chain analysis. So what's that's going to do? It's going to give you more information, more data, more indicators, therefore giving you more probability that you're going to win that trade. Next up, order flow analysis. Order flow trading is based on market data and is used by institutions and professional trading firms. It is considered one of the most sophisticated but reliable strategies and basically a deep analysis of supply and demand, guys. While most traders in the crypto market rely on technical analysis only, the analysis of order books and order flow can be a decisive advantage. Okay, so what that's talking about is looking at the orders that are happening in real time on the blockchain. So now that's a third component. So now you've got your technical analysis, right? You've got your order flow analysis, and you've got your on-chain analysis. So what are you doing? You're putting even more probabilities on your side, right? And so now at this point, you're winning more trades than you're losing. And when you're able to do that, congratulations, you've just learned a skill that can make you money for the rest of your life, almost on demand. That's why I get so passionate about trading, guys. I mean, for me, it was like it's a passion, and it's a mission, and really it's like an obsession, right? It's like an obsession to crack the code, right? To crack the code of financial freedom. Okay, investors. Investing in cryptocurrency is not an easy case. That's what we were just talking about. Private and institutional investors, there are many big factors that can have a big impact on the overall market. So, if you're not actively involved with cryptocurrencies, it's almost impossible to manage the risks associated with them. To minimize the risk, to minimize your time, VORTIC United takes care of your portfolio and increases your profits. And I'm going to talk about how they do that in just a second. They do that by 4 different types of investment portfolios. Now, little disclaimer, we cannot promise you a fixed return as our performance is variable depending on the market situation. But based on our average past results, we can give you approximate expectations. Okay, the investment portfolios have a fixed term which varies depending on the portfolio. As soon as a portfolio reaches the end of its term, it expires and no longer generates returns, guys. In this case, 80% of the deposit is returned to you and credited to your account. And I have done mathematical breakdowns on that in previous videos. Don't know if I'm going to get into that on this one. Next up, the compounding portfolio is a compound interest portfolio. That means you'll receive the profits generated on the working days only after the expiration of the portfolio together with 80% of your deposit. So there is a compounding portfolio. The return is 1.8% on work days. The minimum investment is 5,000 USDT and the duration is 32 weeks. Okay, that's the only one that you can't touch until it's done. All the other ones you can pull your profits out whenever you want. Portfolio plan A, this is the one I like. You got a return of 0.6 through 0.8% on work days. Guys, it just feels good to get up in the morning, open up my VORTIC United platform, and see my return, right? Because I get it every single day, guys. And as those returns go, I'm able to buy more portfolios and therefore generate more returns. And it starts a snowball effect, and the returns are going up and up and up and up every day. And it's like, dude, is this really happening? Like, this is passive income creation right now. I'm not really doing anything. Right? But just because it's such a cool platform, it's such a cool opportunity, I'm able to see that growth. So it's just exciting. Okay. Another cool thing about Portfolio Plan A, the minimum investment is 50 USDT. So you don't have to be like a millionaire to get Portfolio Plan A. In fact, for all my people who tune in around the world, because I know I got people who watch me who are not in the West. I know I got people who watch me who are in other countries. Shout out to my people in India. Shout out to my people in South Africa. Shout out to my people in the Philippines, right? Shout out to my people all over the world, South America, wherever you're tuning in from, my Spanish speaking people, okay? Hola, welcome. You know, wherever you're tuning in from, right? 50 USDT, you can do that. All right, you might not be able to do 500 USDT to get yourself a package and crypto program, but you can do 50 USDT to get yourself started in VORTIC United. Why not take that 50 USDT and start making money off of it? Right? You got to start somewhere, right? Portfolio Plan B, it's got a return of 0.8% through 1% on work days, so a little bit higher percentage. You've got a minimum investment of 2,500 USDT, and that is a 40-week duration. Portfolio Plan A is a 46-week duration. Then you got Portfolio C. You got a 1% through a 1.2% return every single work day, and the minimum investment for that one is 10,000 USDT, and you've got a 36-week duration. VORTIC United accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. And also, guys, if you are so inclined, if you're like me and you like to talk and, you know, you like to share what you're doing with others and you like to be a link sharer like I am, then you can have a career with VORTIC United, man. Let me talk about a little bit about how that goes. So in addition to our proofs of, look, you don't have to do the link sharing, right? And that's a lot of people don't like getting into multi-level marketing because they don't want to have to call their friends. They don't want to have to call their family. They don't want to have to bother people trying to get everybody to sign up. Then they don't make any money if nobody signs up, right? Sound familiar? Okay, maybe we've all been, if we haven't all been a part of something like that, we've known somebody who has. And it's like, it sucks your soul, man. It sucks your soul. Right? So the nice thing about these opportunities, guys, is you can make money without having to do sales. You can make money passively. You can get your money to make money. That's why I got into this space, man. That's why I fell in love with this space. Because it's not about having to share it with everybody. You can. If you're that type of person, more power to you. And that's where the career comes in if you are a link sharer, okay? So in addition to our proven portfolios, we also developed an innovative sales platform that gives you access to our lucrative partner program. In the partner program, you get direct commissions. Let's talk about it. Okay, on level 1, you get a 10% commission. Boom. So when somebody enrolls under you, you get a 10% commission. Boom. Level 2, so that means somebody enrolls under them. Now you didn't have nothing to do with it, right? They enrolled under you, and then somebody came along and enrolled under them. You got nothing to do with that, but you still get a 4% commission on that person over there. Level 3, somebody enrolled under that person, and this goes down 15 levels, guys. Let me read off the commissions. Level 1, 10%, 2, 4%, 3, 3%, 4, 2%, 5 and 6, 1%, 7 and 8, 0.8%, 9 and 10, 0.6%, 11 and 12, 0.4%, 13 through 15, 0.2%. So 15 levels down, you're still getting paid, baby. Because you got out there and you shared it, right? Or you made a video and put a link in the description, right? Somebody liked it, somebody did it. Right? It's really as simple as that, guys. And then you also get daily residual incomes. You get a passive income on their passive income. So there's a little bit of a matching. So you can build a passive income as you also earn commissions each time someone from your downline earns a daily profit from their portfolio. So what that means is if somebody earns $40 in their portfolio. So their portfolio profit is $40 that day. VORTIC United go ahead and also kicks you $4. Not off of enrolling anybody, just off of their profits. So as they're growing, your commission is also growing. Okay? If you so choose to put yourself in that place. And that's why we talk about having a career, right? Because you can see that if you put your time and effort into it, and if you have the type of disposition to do that, you can see how this could become a lucrative career for you or for anybody. Okay? And then also, of course, you're going to have rank rewards. Basically, I'm not going to get too technical on that, but how it works is when you share it and people sign up, you rank up and you get bonuses. You start out as an investor, then you rank up to agent, you get $50 USDT. Okay, you rank up to partner, you get 250 USDT. Operator, 1,000 USDT. Manager, 4,000 USDT. Director, 8,000 USDT. President, 20,000 USDT. That's just a bonus. Got nothing to do with any of the other income generating things. That's just cherry on top, bonus. Sapphire, 50K. Ruby, 160K. Emerald, 300K. Diamond, 700K. That's almost $1 million in USDT. Okay? Let me tell you something about ranking up. The longer a company's been around, the more difficult it is to rank up to those high ranks, right? Because chances are it's been around for a long time before you got into it, right? Like when you're talking about like an Avon, or when you're talking about, what's the other one? Amway, right? Or something like that. These things have been around for 30 years. VORTIC United just started, folks. Right? So if you're wanting to get in at the top on something like this, this is a good opportunity. But like I said, do your due diligence on it. The link's in the description. I want to thank you guys for taking a look at this video. That's my update today on VORTIC United. As always, guys, man, take care. Be safe out there. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And we'll see you on the next video.